In this video, I'll show you how to buy Solana on Binance. It's going to be a step-by-step video, so ensure you watch through what I'm going to show you. This video is only for educational purpose only, so ensure you follow the processes. Open your Binance, click on this. Now, the very first way you can buy with USD, right? So you can buy with transfer, with card, and so on. The next way you can buy is through the P2P trading. So, but one of the best ways, like the ways that I like, is actually buying inside the app, right? So if you have a cryptocurrency, let's say if you have USDT or Bitcoin or Ethereum in your Binance, or if you have it in another wallet, you can be able to add the fund here through an on-chain deposit. So let's say if I have, let me say Ethereum now, and I want to buy Sol on my Binance, I'm going to click on this. I'll wait for it to open up. So I'm going to select it. Once I selected it, come on here, choose the network. So let's say if I'm depositing through the ERC20 network, I'm going to deposit ETH to my wallet. So once I've deposited that, what I'm going to do now, once you have ETH here on your Binance and you want to buy Sol, click on this trade. Come on here. Make sure ETH is up, right? So if you have $100 worth in ETH and you want to buy Sol, you can be able to use this option to do it. So this is basically how you can do it. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I hope you all find this video helpful. I'll see you in the next one.